probably saving me at least 30 minutes, maybe even 35 or 40 a day.
At least 20% faster, my God.
30% faster at least.
Oh, at least 80%.
Faster, easier to access, easier to get around in the models, easier to see what I'm doing.
It just changes the whole dynamics of working in CAD.
Once you understand how you can integrate them into the workflow, it just becomes a natural extension.
It's just so much easier to move the model around because you can pan, zoom, and rotate all simultaneously while you've still got control of your mouse, so you can pick things on the fly.
Rotating back and forth with tools like X-Shape, how's it look from this side, how's it look from that side, and that's a lot easier to do.
Being able to save views and quickly go back and reorient and work in a particular area to isolate parts, things like that.
Your hands adapt so much quicker than having to worry about sitting on that mouse wheel.
Once you learn how to work with it, you can't live without it. Personally, I don't know a single professional that doesn't use them. Everybody should have one.
I can't even hardly run a computer without it anymore.
I am really lost without having mine.